Listen up, it's the secret sauce.
Secret sauce is, what's something that you feel like is working in your business right now, other owners can implement. Maybe that's in your current laundromat or a past laundromat, or even in the build.
So I wrote a few things. I put my notes here. So I got a few things that I put down on notes, but the biggest thing, I kind of came up with this, I was just thinking about this morning on my walk, and just help the customer. It bothers me a little bit when people post on forums and stuff, and they're talking about even like, oh man, I'm losing all my quarters. This guy comes in, he put a 20, he walked out of the store. It's like, man, that's part of business. You can't get upset about that. But the people that, if their clothes got damaged in the washer, or even though they over soaped it, their stuff is still soapy, just help that customer. I'm telling you that every problem is an opportunity for you to increase business and to solve that problem. So, and it's not even a problem. I mean, they have an issue and they're like, this machine won't start, or it won't take my quarter, or my clothes didn't spin out properly, or whatever it is. Don't ever judge that customer, whether they did it to themselves or not. Just help them out and then educate them. Be like, oh, well, let's take a look here. Let me put you in another washer just in case it was my washer. But, oh, wow, this is really soapy. How much soap did you put in there? And just kind of talk to them really nice. Hey, man, I'm going to put this in another machine. I'm just going to rinse it and spin it real quick while you're talking, and just kind of like, oh, thank you so much. And they're like, hey, you know what? I'm going to dry that for you too. Oh, you're going to dry it for me too. They go home and they tell their friends and their neighbors and everybody else. And you just turned a $20 to $30 a week customer now into a $60 or $90 or $120 a week customer, because they told that all their friends are now coming because you were such a nice guy and helped them out and didn't accuse them or judge them, based on whatever. So I just always believe in going the extra mile and helping people. And even if they're coming in to get change and, they're walking out, I'm like, hey man, are you bringing comforters back someday? Okay. Just kind of, hopefully they'll be a customer someday. And losing quarters is just part of business. So that's going to happen. But so don't sweat the small things, help everybody that you can. That's the secret sauce right there. Otherwise, we've already talked about this, doing promotions, advertising. You have to advertise your laundromat. It's a business. So just do it. And stop sending postcards. It's not working. So
advertise your laundromat,
right?
But not with postcards.
Postcards have I don't even know what it's down to. It's like between 1% and 2% is your rate of return on a postcard. I'm not saying that's not, it just seems like a colossal waste of resources, just sending all that paper around, and then 99% of the people throw it away, so, where social media, you can see how many people click through to your site, or how many people commented or shared, and you get that real time kind of satisfaction and knowing that it's working. So, there.
Yeah.
That's my
awesome secret sauce.